Happy Tuesday, everybody. I am so excited for this video today. I finally opened up my dollhouse that I got for Christmas, or one of them, and I was excited because I didn't think I was going to get some of the stuff that's in there, so I'm super excited. This is the dollhouse that I got. It is a Little Tykes stack and style. I was trying to get the whole thing in the video. It wasn't working in the camera. It wasn't working, but this is what it looks like. And I'm sorry, my throat is, ugh. But yeah, so it's called a stack and style, and you can like change it up, and I wanted to say it was like a Barbie size, but I think it's just a little bit, I don't know. The sizes are kind of weird. I don't know. We'll see. You'll see when I start showing you all the pieces to it. The sizes are just kind of a little odd. So this is everything that came with it, like all the furniture. So the first thing was this little love seat. Has the two cushions on it, and it is plastic, but it's cute and it's a nice little size. Like I said, it's a little love seat. It's not a full-size couch, so there's that. Then you get this little lamp, and it does light up. There's a little button and it does light up. So that's cute. I want to have a house that's all lighted up, but lit up, not lighted, lit up. Then there's this little, I think it's a little like side table. Then there's a kitchen island, and it has like the faux burner tops. And then this side is like the part where you can sit at. And then the cabinets do open. So that's kind of cool. It is just made out of plastic, the regular Little Tykes plastic. And it comes with these two stools so that you can sit on that side of the island. And I don't like the gold color, so those may get spray painted. I'm not 100% sure. So this is one of those things that's kind of a weird size. It's a little bit bigger than I think it should be, because or maybe the crib is smaller than it should be. I think the crib is smaller because that crib is tiny compared to like all the other pieces. And you'll see the comparison in a minute, because I'm going to kind of put things side to side here. But the next thing is like this little, I think it's a coffee table, and it matches the island. And this is so cute. It's a miniature version of the dollhouse itself. So the pieces come apart, and you can like reconfigure them to match the way that you do the other house, or the big house. I think you can do it like 3 different ways, but it's so cute. So, so cute. I was not expecting that. And oh my goodness, I was so excited because I had been looking on eBay and Mercari and all that, trying to find one of these for the dollhouse. And it came with it. So I was super excited. I did not expect that. I saw it in the picture. I just thought it was like a little prop that it didn't come with it, but it came with it. Okay, then this bed. So this is a really, really big bed. Um, it's big, but it's not big. It's kind of weird. It does come with a little mattress. It's plastic again. It's 3 pieces. You just snap them together, and it helps. And it has the pillows and a comforter. Um, and I put a Barbie in it, but she doesn't really fit. And then you get a clawfoot tub with like the gold detail, and then a toilet that actually flushes, and you can hear the flush. Can you hear it? So yeah, I thought that was a really cool feature, that it flushes, and you got some lights in there. I thought it was going to be some more lighting, but it's not. So I'm assuming that the sink is like painted, or like on the wall. So I got this little paper clip holder off of Amazon, and then one of these little drawers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna put some legs on it. And it's gonna be the perfect size because I want it, I don't want the picture, I want an actual sink. So just to give you kind of a size comparison, this is a regular size Barbie. So it's a little bit smaller. I think Skipper would probably work a lot better. Even in the bed, she's literally from headboard to footboard. And then she's kind of tall for this. I don't have a Skipper doll. I just so happened to get this one from my daughter. So this is the door that comes with it. It's so cute, the double door. Again, it's a little small for Barbie, but it has the plastic windows and everything. Love it, super cute. Then here's the crib. So look at look at how small the crib is next to her. Even for Skipper, I think that would be too small. So the crib is kind of a weird size, but I mean, it's not a big deal. Maybe I'll turn it into, I don't know. Maybe we'll do something with it to make it fit better. And then just to show you the bed, like she's literally top of her head to the sole of her feet, touching the headboard and the footboard. There's like no room. So I think Skipper would just be a better option, or a little bit of a smaller doll. But yeah, so that is that part. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you the actual pieces to the dollhouse. Again, it's really big, so it's hard to get everything in the camera shot. But this is one side of the roof, and there are two, and they are like slanted once you put them on. So these two are the like the shingles or the roof part of it. And then I haven't pulled all this stuff out. We're seeing this part together. So I'm guessing this is part of the baby room, and probably gonna go probably upstairs because it's only like half the thing. So excuse me. And then the next one here is, I think, still another part of the baby room. On the opposite side of them is like the, what is it called? It's the outside part of it, not the shingles. I don't know what it's called. Anyways, I think this is the kitchen sink, maybe? Yeah, I think this is the kitchen sink. I haven't looked at the instructions, but I'm assuming that's the kitchen. And then the siding, that's what it's called. Then you've got the other side that has siding. And then there's a bunch of like smaller pieces here. Again, I don't know where these go, but this is like a little angled one. And another angled one. These match the background of those other two pieces. And then you've got this one and this one. Oops, sorry. There we go. It looks like snakeskin. Okay, so those are the smaller pieces. And then we're getting into these bigger pieces. Um, this one is, okay, so it's flooring. So it's hardwood floor. And then the other side, let's see. Oh, so they're like 14 inches. I was thinking, I was looking at them, I'm like, they're not 12 by 12. They're like 14 by 14. So they're pretty big pieces, solid pieces. This one is one of the floors there. And I think like the ceiling to another piece. Then again, another, looks like a rug in the middle there. All of this is smooth. There's no texture. There's nothing like that. It's just like paper, like wallpaper. And I think I'm just going to cover all these pieces. So this is another wood flooring with like a carpet in the middle. And like I said, I think I'm going to take like vinyl or wallpaper, or here's some screws. Wallpaper, or I don't know, scrapbook paper, and cover these pieces. Oh, this is kind of a cool piece. So that is wood, and I might stain that. And this is, I guess, part of the baby's room. And then the other side again is siding, and it kind of looks like shiplap. And I'm sorry, I'm having trouble breathing, guys. And then here's another one. I don't know what, looks like maybe the living room, maybe dining room, something like that. And this one does not have the wood around it. Maybe that's the one for the door. And then, so yeah, there's just like all these pieces. Another, I think that's to attach it to the wall. And there's just a bunch of like faux pieces on the walls. So like there's the bathroom sink right there, and a mirror, a nice little window. The window does not have plastic like the door. You got, oh, they got these little wood, not shingles. Now I can't think of the window panes or whatever. So all that's wood, can either be painted or stained. That's going to be cool. Another floor piece there. And this is, I guess, like a ceiling, maybe. Can't really tell. Again, I didn't look at the instructions yet, so I'm just kind of just looking at all the pieces. And another wood flooring with like a carpet. I'm assuming this is the bottom floor because there's nothing on the back of that one. So it's probably for the bottom. Another floor and ceiling. And then I don't know how many more pieces are in here. And these are pretty heavy. So here we go, another door frame. And there's whatever that print is. This one's kind of got like this discoloration, but it's okay because it's going to be stained. And I'm wondering if I can unscrew it. Oh, this must be for the kids' room because it has the little measuring thing on there. And then another window. And this is probably what, the living room, dining room, something like that. And again, I think I'm just going to cover this up with either vinyl or wallpaper or something like that before I put it together. And then here's another one with the wood frame. And I may go live either here or on TikTok to kind of show you guys what I'm doing. So here's another wall for the kitchen. See, I want to have actual little shelves on there and stuff. So yeah, I'm probably going to cover all that up. It's cute, but it's not what I want. So we're gonna fix that. And then here is another door frame. Again, I'm not sure what room it's for, but it's got the little wallpaper on there, and it's just not my style. And we have another door frame here. I'll show you in a second. And again, I don't know, dining room, living room, one of them downstairs or one of the other rooms or a different bedroom maybe. I'm not sure. And then I'm sorry for all the clearing my throat. And then we have, so I'm guessing this is like the bottom floor, you know, the bottom of the house. I'm guessing because there's two pieces like this in here. And this is either a ceiling. It has to be a ceiling for like the upstairs and the floor. Maybe that's the upstairs. I don't know. Well, I'll see. Again, I haven't I haven't read the instructions, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. That seems like it might be the ceiling for the downstairs and the flooring for the upstairs, because here's another flooring and this one's blank on the other side. So I'm assuming that's the part that goes on the floor and you sit the whole house on. And then the other one is like the ceiling for this one. So that is it for this video. Stay tuned. I don't know if I'm going to go live showing you guys this process or what I'm going to do, but stay tuned. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And that is it, guys. Have a good one. Be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.